Hello everyone and welcome to Educate 247. This is the lecture 20th in the series on financial awareness, and today we'll be talking about Google's 10 billion investment into India. This lecture series is important for RBI Grade B as well as SEBI Grade A 2020 examination. Now before moving forward, Educate 247 brings you SEBI Grade A 2020 crash course, which features around 5000 plus MCQs with concise content and live doubt sessions to help you ace the exam. To avail the benefits of this course, you can log on to the website and apply a coupon code SEBI. Now, coming to the news. Recently, Google has announced a plan to invest $10 billion in India over the next 5 to 7 years by way of equity investments or partnership in a bid to accelerate digitization in the country. The announcement assumes particular significance given the impending gap in the country's tech ecosystem following the center's clampdown on Chinese technology firms. Google said that its 10 billion fund would focus on areas such as enabling affordable access to the internet and to information for every Indian in their own language. It will also focus on building new products and services in segments which include consumer tech, education, health and agriculture, and empowering businesses, especially the SMEs, to transform digitally. It will also leverage technology and artificial intelligence to improve digital literacy. These investments will be made through a mix of equity investments, partnerships, and ecosystem investments. These include Google's existing projects such as Internet Sati for spreading awareness of the internet in rural areas and an artificial intelligence based flood forecasting system, among others. While the fund may have been in works since before the clampdown on Chinese companies, the development did present an opportunity for tech majors like Google to grow their share in India's market. Big technology companies like Google, Facebook, Netflix, and Twitter are in any case prohibited from doing business in China. Potential hurdles for Chinese companies investing in India could provide better prospects for the American giants to strengthen their position in a market which has been the second most internet users in the world. Now, Google has already been investing in various startups and ventures in India through several of its investment vehicles. On November 1st, 2013, the company invested around 3.13 crore in Sana Ventures in the seed funding round. It has also invested rupees 3 crores in the Agastya International Foundation. Its latest investment was in the Series E funding of a Gurugram-based company, A Finance. Compared with its global investments, the investment in India are dwarfs, but the 10 billion as a part for the Google for India Digitization Fund will boost Indian companies in Google's portfolio. Between January 1st, 2010 and July 13, 2020, Google and its venture capital arms have invested in more than 900 companies globally. Among this, it has the maximum investments of $1.5 billion in Indonesian multi-startup Gojek and around $1 billion in Elon Musk's SpaceX. Google's investment plan is in line with the big tech's bullish outlook on India. Earlier this year, Amazon said that it would also invest an additional $1 billion in India. This was followed by a marquee investment announcement of around $5.7 billion by Facebook in the country's largest telecom company, Reliance Jio. Last month, Microsoft also announced a venture fund called M12 and that it said it would open an office in India to pursue investment opportunities focusing on B2B software startups. Investments such as these could help India to bridge the digital divide. The government can partner with private companies to help ensure. So, the government can partner with private companies to bridge the digital divide and bring in the most modern digital tools and related technologies to help India progress. Now, before ending this lecture, I'd like to tell you about Educare's RBI Grade B course. It features subjects which include economic and social issues, finance and management, along with comprehensive coverage of current affairs in the form of MCQs. To avail the benefits of the full video course, you can log on to the website. To avail the benefits of the full video course. Thank you and happy learning.